Johnny Busy, and today we're going to draw King Boo for kids. And now, for the colors you'll need is blue, gold, red, pink, and yellow. So let's get started. First, we'll need the smile. We shall put it in the middle of our paper. Could go a bit wider. Now we add a W. Now we add a little bigger tooth over here and a much bigger tooth over here. And we do that again. And now we add the eyes. 2 ovals. This looks a little scary, so let's add in the features that make it more King Boo-ish. Done. And now we add the eyebrows. There. Now it looks a little less scary. Now we add the rest of the mouth. Now we add the tongue. Ooh, it's lolling out. Now we add a U shape over there. Ooh, let's connect that there. Okay, now we add the stripe in the middle of his tongue. Now, we have to do the body. So we're going to go all the way over here. Add a little hand. Not really little, actually. And then we go all the way over here. A little U. And then we go around. And now we go to complete his body. Now he's only got one hand, so let's influence that by putting another hand right here. And now we add his crown. Just 2 straight lines right there. That just crowns. Well, we have to add this. 1 toe, 2 toe, 3 toe, 3 toe ones. Now we add the jewels, so let's make a V, then an upside down V, and do that again on the next one, and keep on doing that until all of his crown has been covered. And now, we add the rest of the jewels on him. Some on his crown, so let's put some. Ooh, I'll put one over here. You can put as many jewels as you want in any place. So, if I'm going a little fast, you can pause the video, and you can pause the video to make your own details. I'm gonna put a little gem in each of his top crown, but you don't have to do that. Now let's put a gem right here, gem right here. Done with his crown. Now we're done with the whole body. Alrighty, now we can color it in. At this part, I'm going to fast forward. if I make the mouth a little scary, you can change the tongue color to red and the mouth color to pink. And don't be afraid to change up the color of the jewels. Well, this video was inspired by Mario Kart. This is Mario Kart's version of King Boo. And please go back and watch the video, where I draw the piranha plant and where my little sister and the new videos will be coming out soon. My little sister will be in them. And please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Johnny Busy signing off.